Welcome to Basic Electronics course, Module 2, Session 2. The contents of Session 2 are, we'll look at Shockley's equation, problem examples related to JFET, and lastly, we'll look at the assignment problem questions. In Session 1, we already studied the construction, operation, and characteristics of N-channel and P-channel JFET. We already studied the transfer characteristics of both N-channel and P-channel JFET. Now, if you see this Shockley's equation, this Shockley's equations gives the relationship between the output current, which is drain current, versus the input control voltage, which is the input control voltage, which is nothing but gate to source voltage, right? We can calculate for various values of VGS, we can calculate the output drain current using this Shockley's equation. ID is equal to IDSS 1 minus of VGS divided by VP whole square. IDSS is nothing but drain to source saturation current when the VGS voltage is equal to 0. As we saw here, when VGS is 0, this equation will reduce to ID is equal to IDSS. And when this VGS value is equal to VP here, ID is equal to 0, right? And if you want to calculate the values of VGS, you can calculate using the same Shockley's equation here. VGS is equal to VP square root of 1 minus of ID divided by IDSS. Now we'll look at the problem examples related to JFET and the Shockley's equation. Example 1, a JFET is operated at Q point, IDQ is equal to 4 milliamperes and VGSQ is equal to minus 3 volts. Determine drain to source saturation current if pinch off voltage VP is equal to minus 6 volt. Now here you need to calculate the value of IDSS. And what are the parameters given to us? IDQ, we know it. VGSQ, we know it, and also we know the pinch off voltage, which is equal to minus 6 volt here. Now, first thing is you write the Shockley's equation. Write the Shockley's equation. Now substitute for IDQ, VGSQ, and VP, and only unknown parameter what we have is IDSS. Substitute in this one. VGS is minus 3 and VP is minus 6 here. So that this will be 1 by 2 here, right? 1 minus of 0.5, so that 0.5 whole square, right? So that you simplify this one, IDSS 0.5 whole square divided by 4, you get it as 16 milliamperes here. You see this will be written as 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square will be 1 by 4. Therefore, 4 into 4 will be 16 milliamperes. Now we'll look at example 2. Sketch the transfer characteristics of a N-channel JFET given that IDSS is equal to 12 milliamperes and VP is equal to minus 6 volt. In this example, you need to draw the transfer characteristics. When I say transfer characteristics, it is output current, the drain current versus the input control voltage, which is nothing but the VGS. Now, if you see from the problem statement here, the VP value is given as minus 6 volts. So that the VGS value will vary from 0 to minus 6. So that you need to calculate the value of drain current for VGS value varying between 0 to minus 6. For VGS equals 0, calculate the value of drain current. Similarly, do it for minus 1, minus 2 till minus 6. Once you have the value for drain current for various values of VGS, after that you can draw the transfer characteristics here. First, write the Shockley's equation. ID is equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS divided by VP whole square. Now, we will take the value of VGS. As I said here, the VGS value varies between 0 volt to minus 6 volts. Why it is minus 6 volts? Because the pinch off voltage is minus 6 volts here. Now first we'll consider the VGS value as 0 volt. For 0 volt, what is the ID here? It is nothing but 12. 1 minus of 0 divided by 6, so that this will be reduced to 12 milliamperes. Therefore, the ID is equal to 12 milliamperes for VGS is equal to 0 volt. Similarly, now calculate the value of ID for VGS is equal to minus 1 volt. Substitute the values in Shockley's equation. Therefore, ID is equal to, you get it as 8.33 milliamperes for VGS is equal to minus 1 volt. Now do it for minus 2 volt. You get it as 5.33 milliamperes. Now for VGS is equal to minus 6 volts, so that the drain current is 3 milliamperes. Similarly, for VGS is equal to minus 4 volt, the drain current is 1.33 milliamperes. And for VGS is equal to minus 5, you get it as 0.33 milliamperes. And lastly, for VGS, just make the change here, it has to be minus 6 volts. You get it as 0 milliamperes. And beyond that, minus 6, minus 7, beyond that, the current will be 0. Now draw the characteristics. As we know that the y-axis is your drain current and your x-axis what we have in the second coordinate, it is VGS. And VGS value varies from 0 to minus 6 here. And we substituted all the values here. You can see here, this is how the curve looks like. Now we'll go to the third problem. For JFET, IDSS is 6 milliamperes, BP is minus 4.5 volts. Find gate to source voltage at ID is equal to 3 milliamperes and 5.5 milliamperes. Now, looking at the problem statement, now we need to calculate the value of VGS when the drain current is equal to 3 milliamperes. And also we need to calculate the value of VGS when the drain current is equal to 5.5 milliamperes. Now we'll start with the Shockley's equation, substitute for the values, and the only unknown what we have is VGS. For ID is equal to 3 milliamperes. So that the equation will reduce to is here it is 3 divided by 6 will be 0.5. 0.5 is equal to 1 plus. Now what we have is 1 divided by, this will be minus will be plus here. 1 divided by 4.5 will be, you get it as 0.222, right? And multiplied by VGS whole square. Now take the square root on the other side here so that you get plus or minus 0.707 is equal to 1 plus 0.222 VGS. Therefore, VGS is equal to what now? Now take this one on the other side so that this is plus and minus. This will be minus 1. Minus 1 minus 0.707 will be minus 1.707. And if this is considered as plus here, minus 1 plus 0.707, you get it as minus 0.293. Now VGS divided by, we have two values here and divided by 0.222. So that you get two values here, minus 1.32 volts, and the other value of VGS you get it as minus 7.73. Here, if you see here in the given equation, the VP value is given as minus 4.5 here. The cutoff, the VGS of when the current becomes 0 is at this voltage, at this pinch off voltage, which is equal to minus 4.5. So that this is not the VGS value here. So that we reject this value of minus 7.73, so that the VGS value what we get is minus 1.32 volts. Now here we calculated the value of VGS for ID is equal to 3 milliamperes. Now do the same for ID is equal to 5.5 milliamperes. Now do the same. Now consider the value of ID as 5.5 milliamperes. Substitute in the Shockley's equation. Simplify this one, take the square root, plus or minus, you get the value as 0.957 is equal to 1 plus 0.222 VGS. Now take the one on the other side, you get two values there. You get it as minus 0.043 and the other you get it as minus 1.957. Now these two values are divided by 0.222 so that you get the value of VGS as minus 0.194 volts. And the other value what we get is minus 7.07. And this pinch off values, this value is rejected here. Okay. Now we'll go to the example number 4. From the drain characteristics shown in the figure, read IDSS VP. Using Shockley's equation, check the values of ID for VGS is equal to minus 1 volt and VGS is equal to minus 2 volt. Now using Shockley's equation, check the values of ID for VGS is equal to minus 1 volt and VGS is equal to minus 2 volts. Now the drain characteristics is given here in the diagram here. Now looking at the diagram, first find the value of drain to source saturation current and also the pinch off voltage values. Just by looking at this equation, we know that what is IDSS? IDSS is nothing but the maximum drain to source current when the VGS is equal to 0 volt. So that just looking at the graph here, the diagram here, we know that this is equal to 8 and the ID current is given in milliamperes, 8 milliamperes. And also looking at this one, VGS is equal to minus 4 volt. This is equal to VP. So that the VP value is equal to minus 4 volts and IDSS is equal to 8 milliamperes here, right? Now using Shockley's equation, check the values of ID for VGS is equal to minus 1 volt and VGS is equal to minus 2 volt. Now using Shockley's equation, calculate ID for VGS is equal to minus 1 and for VGS is equal to minus 2 volts. And now looking at the diagram, the graph, we know the values of IDSS and VP. Once you calculate the value of ID for minus 1 and minus 2 volts, verify the same again by looking at the diagram, whether you got the same values of the ID current for VGS minus 1 and VGS is equal to minus 2 volt. Now, by looking at the graph, what we found now, the IDSS is equal to 8 milliamperes and VP is equal to minus 4 volt. Now we'll consider the value of VGS as minus 1 volt. Substitute all these parameters and calculate the value of drain current. You get it as 4.5 milliamperes. Now calculate the drain current for VGS is equal to minus 2 volt. Substitute in the Shockley's equation, you get it as 2 milliamperes. Now if I go back to the previous screen, the diagram here, you get it as if you can see here for minus 1 volt, you get it, you got the value of a drain current as 4.5. You can see here, this value, this screen current is somewhere between that. You can see here, between 4 and 5, in between, you get it as 4.5 milliamperes. And for VGS is minus 2 volts, you get it as 2 milliamperes here. Okay. Yeah, these are the problem examples related to JFET using Shockley's equation. Now, take these two assignment problems. For JFET, IDSS is equal to 6 milliamperes, VP is minus 4.5 volts. Determine ID at VGS is equal to minus 2 volt and minus 4 volt. Now you need to calculate the value of ID when the VGS is minus 2 volts and when the VGS is minus 4 volt. The second problem, given the Q point of JFET, IDQ is 3 milliamperes, VGSQ is minus 3 volts. Determine IDSS if VP is equal to minus 6 volt here. Now what you need to determine? You need to determine IDSS. How do you find it? Using Shockley's equation. You can see here all the three parameters are given, only unknown what we have is IDSS. In the first problem, what we have is you need to calculate ID for VGS is minus 2 and for VGS is equal to minus 4 volt. Thank you, everyone.